Mungyo's Gallery Jumbo Oil Pastel sets are the same quality as the standard oil pastels in a jumbo form. And one of the things that people like using these standard oil pastels for are doing things like laying in backgrounds and covering large areas. So the first thing I just wanted to show you was a comparison in size. And we have our set of 12 here and our set of 12 jumbo. But let me just actually pull out some sticks for you and show you. That's your size comparison. So these are considerably larger. They come in sets of 12, 24, and 36, and they will allow you to cover a large area at once. Now, I'm not even going to unwrap the paper off of this, but you can see just how quickly. Now, I'm using a toned paper here. Just how quickly it covers it, and in addition to that, the pigments are strong. You know, you can definitely see the blue where the blue is. Obviously, because it's a textured paper, they're part of the design of a pastel paper is to allow some of that texture to show through. But you can very quickly fill in large areas using these pastels, and they're very inexpensive. So it's a great tool to add, especially if you work big or you want to save a little bit of money, because they're very, very, very high value product. So these are the jumbo oil pastels from Mungyo Gallery. Same as the standard pastels, just a little bit bigger. Well, maybe a lot.